Hi, this is Jordan Bradford with the Tranel Financial Group, and welcome to our monthly market recap here. I wanted to share with you what's been going on in the market over the last 30 days or so, and just give you a little bit of a year-to-date update as well, considering we are now into the month of May. So April was a great month for the market. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ were both up just a little bit over 5% for the month of April, and the Dow Jones was up a little bit over 3%. Now, these are great returns for a single month in the market. In fact, we're seeing, as a year-to-date example, the NASDAQ up about 8.5% to start the year through the end of April. And then we've also seen the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 both up just a little bit north of 11% to start the calendar year. Now, this is a vast difference from where we were at this time last year, of course, with the pandemic just hitting in March and February of 2020. So we've definitely seen a real shift in how the market's been performing and the economy has been going here just to start 2021. Another quick update here is just, during the first 100 days now of President Joe Biden's first term as president here, we've seen one of the hottest stock market growths in the first 100 days of presidential history. Now, does that mean a whole lot? It's hard to say, right? I always tell people take that information with a grain of salt, but the good news is it's always better to be on the better 100 days, or in this case, one of the best first 100 days, than certainly one of the worst first 100 days. So it is good news. The market's definitely starting to perform pretty well. And in fact, in addition to the S&P 500 and the Dow and the NASDAQ performance, we're also seeing companies beating or exceeding their earnings estimates at record numbers as well. In fact, in the first quarter of 2021, 86% of the companies that have reported their first quarter earnings to date so far have exceeded their estimates, which is incredible. That means that the economy is expanding, it's growing. Businesses are doing better than what they could have expected just 3, 4, 5 months ago. So it's a great sign that we're on the right track here in 2021. As I mentioned, April was a great month in the market, even though the last 2 weeks were about flat. But the first couple weeks in April were really strong. So I think as we continue to look forward through the rest of the year and through the rest of this quarter specifically, we're really looking at vaccine rollouts and economic reopenings across the United States as states continue to lift guidelines, lift restrictions, and reopen the economy slowly but surely. So these are great things that are happening. They're keeping the market moving forward. We also have some big potential bills that may be passed, including an infrastructure bill, as well as a bill to help continue supporting what the coronavirus has done to our economy. So we are watching these two things pretty closely, but I think we're in for a good second quarter of the market, and we're off to a great start. So if you have any questions or you're looking to see how you're doing comparatively to the market, reach out to your financial advisor or reach out to us with any questions that you have. You can reach us at 847-680-9050. And thanks for your time and have a great day.